We are here in Mosquita Hill putting on Mr. Lester roof.
Mr. Hodges.
Mr. Lester Hodges roof. There he is throwing stone inside. He's passing my slippers, it dropped off.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, Mr. Lester, he put out...
No, Mr. Sir, just any name you want to say.
Mr. Lester put out a lot of work on his place.
Any way you want to say, we
granny grow it good, we have to put the Mr. and Miss.
Oh.
You know?
So yeah, we are putting on the roof. This is the beginning of the roof. When it completed, you guys are gonna see it.
Lintel.
Hello guys, welcome to Chat Jamaican with Tania. You know that I am your lady Tania. I am in the hospital, however, I am seeking your assistance to make Mr. Hodges' house become completed so that he may have a home. I have no idea how long I will be in the hospital. If you want to contribute, please reach out to Mr. Derek Wint on 876-771-0266. He has taken it this far and we want him to complete it with your help.
My manager, you want me to have house to live into, so I have to have the interest.
Alright, yes, this is where we are with Mr. Lester. We're about to cast the flooring. After casting the flooring, we'll be cutting on the roof in a short while. Here's the ply we have there now. We're going to be putting the ply. So, in a couple of days, and he should be in his own home. Alright, Mr. Hodges coming in to assist. No, but that's okay, Mr. Hodges. Don't have to cut it again. It's alright, don't have to cut it. It's alright. Don't have to cut it. No, don't have to cut it. It's alright. We're not drinking us anymore. So,
You have to answer to your calls.
that's okay, man.
So tell Lime Maka.
No, by now weekend you should be inside your house, sir.
My helper.
Yeah. We are it from the outside.
Guys, we need one toilet, a face basin, windows, doors, paintbrush, and also money to pay the workers. 3 sheets of zinc is also needed and 5 plyboards. If we have all of these items and equipment in place, the house will be completed by next week.
Alright, that's it. We need to clean off the cement on the outside also. There's a possibility you might just mesh it and sand it and just granite it with cement. Alright, so we'll cut on the roof tomorrow and cast the bottom. Alright, after putting on the plies, this is what we are looking at. So the doorway is going to be the window to the front. Siding. We want to get 6 sheets of ply. Alright, so we will be casting the flooring tomorrow and putting on the top tomorrow. So hopefully by no weekend we should be able to allow him to come in.
They are nail.
So I want to see myself too.
Come here. Line up the book.
And there you have it again. We are here nailing and nailing and nailing. Completing the work today. For Mr. Lester, the man there, look at him. That's the elder there. His house is this. Look beautiful. We put on the roof now. We are here putting on the roof. Then we're gonna cast the flooring. So later it's a different look. We wanna put him in from today. In there.
All of the nails, when I put them up our house, because when I come back at them, we have to use the air.
This gravel.
The nail.
Oh, the nail. Oh.
Not take up space.
I'll just touch it right out.
Let me see. Got to make it out this. Take up the tool then. It's a change off. I have a change off for now. If your phone have time. We are here in Mosquita Hill putting on Mr. Lester roof.
Mr. Hodges.
Mr. Lester Hodges roof. There he is throwing stone inside. He's passing my slippers, it dropped off.
Ah, my goodness.
Yeah, Mr. Lester, he put out.
No, Mr. Sir, just any name you want to say.
Mr. Lester put out a lot of work on his place.
Any way you want to say, we
granny grow it good. We have to put the Mr. and Miss.
Oh.
You know?
So yeah, we are putting on the roof. This is the beginning of the roof. When it completed, you guys are gonna see it.
Lintel.
Your help will be appreciated, as I do not think I will be out of the hospital soon. Thank you.
Lintel. My manager. You want me to have house to live into, so I have to have the interest.
Alright,
Yes,
this is where we are with Mr. Lester. We're about to cast the flooring. After casting the flooring, we'll be cutting on the roof in a short while. There's the ply we have there now. We're going to be putting the ply. So, in a couple of days, and he should be in his own home.
We are here in Mosquita Hill putting on Mr. Lester roof.
Mr. Hodges.
Mr. Lester Hodges roof. There he is throwing stone inside. He's passing my slippers, it dropped off.
Ah, my goodness.
Yeah, Mr. Lester, he put out.
No, Mr. Sir, just any name you want to say.
Mr. Lester put out a lot of work on his place.
Any way you want to say, we
granny grow it good. We have to put the Mr. and Miss.
Oh.
You know?
So yeah, we are putting on the roof. This is the beginning of the roof. When it completed, you guys are gonna see it.
Lintel.
Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. Chat Jamaican with Tania. When me walk through the valley of